What's up, family? Ronya and Rich here, back with another video. Today we are going to be showing you the best cheap / affordable eats near and around downtown Chicago. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Our first stop is at Aloha Wagon. Aloha Wagon is going to be close to Midway Airport, so if you're flying into Chicago, this may be a place you want to check out. It is Hawaiian themed, and I believe they used to be a food truck. Now, what we were really impressed with was the customer service as well as the prices, and not to mention the food. We got the Hawaiian barbecue chicken sandwich, the homemade cheeseburger, as well as the Hawaiian grilled fish plate. And let me tell you, they were all delicious. Good?
With this chicken sandwich, it's like pineapple, Hawaiian barbecue taste to it. It's very, very good. Like a sweet, yet a little savory taste. Chicken is very tender as well. Bun is delicious. Lettuce is fresh. It's just good, y'all. Real good.
Look at that.
Yeah.
I already know this is gonna be good.
Yeah.
All right, so we got the potato mac, we got some rice. I like it. It's like, it's cold. It's like cold mac and cheese with potatoes in it.
Nice.
The grilled fish.
Got it. Good. Nice.
Okay, this fish is phenomenal. I started getting like a tingly feeling in my nose, and so I was like, what is in this fish? It is actually wasabi aioli and cilantro. So it has a really nice burn to it. It's wasabi, you know, if you ever have wasabi, that's what it tastes like. But it's really, really good. You full?
I'm full.
Babe, you full?
Yeah.
Still eating. Great.
I'm full though. I'm full. I'm done.
We found out about this really great app. We wanted to include this in the video. It's called Too Good To Go. So with this app, you're able to get food for a pretty low price. The only catch is you don't know what you're getting. So we're about to do it right now. If you use this app, you don't have to eat at the restaurant that we choose to, but it also helps the restaurants eliminate food waste. So you can get a meal for anywhere from like $3.99 up to $5.99. And some of these meals are like $40, $50 per person. So we hope this little tip or trick here helps you when you are in Chicago. And also for those wondering, we did not drive, we did not rent a car because we saw those prices. We're like, we will take an Uber or walk. So this is where we went. We went to Slice Factory. As we just got out of our Uber and we are here at the location, a little code that we're just gonna show them, and then we should be able to pick up our order. So let's go. Now, you don't have to get pizza, you don't have to get lunch or dinner. There's breakfast items as well on the Too Good To Go app. But look at these pizza slices at Slice Factory. You guys, you have to check them out. Even if you don't use the app, there is a happy hour every Monday through Friday from 11 to 3.
Guys, we got our food. We got some, like 3 slices of pizza look like. They're pretty big, really heavy. You can kind of see the outlines of the slices. So we're gonna go back to the hotel, warm these things up and see how they taste.
So we got all 3 slices of these huge pieces of pizza for less than $6. The Too Good To Go app is a game changer. Whether you're a family or a single individual, this app will save you some serious cash when you are here in Chicago.
It's actually really good.
It's good?
It's good.
It looks good and it smells good.
Yeah, it's definitely good. How's that taste? Different?
It's really
It's good? Like for real?
It's like spicy and sweet. Onions, pineapple, chicken, and I think there's some type of pepper in here because it's something kind of spicy.
I think it's the mango habanero sauce, remember?
It's good.
All right, we're gonna chat on, y'all. See y'all soon.
Here is a disclaimer. Our hotel provided us with free breakfast, so we are not going to have a breakfast spot in this video. However, we will be providing you with 2 donut recommendations. So our first donut stop would be at Stan's Donuts. This is a staple donut shop here in Chicago. The lines do get pretty long, so you might want to get there early. Their donuts are fairly cheap, starting around $2.25 each. They also have breakfast sandwiches as well. So this would be a nice little cheap eat stop to get your grub on. And here are the donuts that we got. We tried to get a little bit of everything, so we got 6 donuts in total.
This is the Stan's Specialty Pretzel Donut. So let's check it out. It's really good. It's like a loose donut. It would taste much better like warmed up, but it's still very, very good.
Their classic glazed donut was only $2.25. It's not as sweet as we would like, but it was very fluffy and soft, so we gave it points for that. I don't know if something's inside, but fingers crossed it's good.
Okay.
It's really good. It's really thick.
Really?
Really
Turn it
sweet.
around. Turn it around.
There's stuff inside.
Oh, but the cookie butter? Mm-hmm. It's cookie butter. Wow, okay.
It's like a blueberry cream cheese thing going on here, so. If you're into fruit-filled donuts, as you can tell by my face, this blueberry cream cheese donut is it. It was $4.25. Definitely a must-try if you're into fruit-filled donuts. The cake donut was just okay in my personal opinion. It really didn't have that much flavor. In the cinnamon roll donut, it was okay. It was a little dry. Okay, our next donut stop is Do Right Donuts and Chicken here inside of the Willis Tower. They have some $1 coffee is pretty cheap, and they have a plethora of donuts as well as egg sandwiches and chicken sandwiches to choose from. And their prices were pretty affordable, and they also have gluten-free options as well. We just got our donuts here at Do Right Donuts inside of the Willis Tower. The first donut we tried was the Cinnamon Crunch Donut for $2.95.
Look at the layers, y'all.
Oh yeah, that looks
It's
good.
actually really good. So this is the vanilla bean glazed donut, the original. I'm gonna taste this real quick too. This one is really good. It's soft, but firm. Sweet, but not overly sweet. Very good donut. Really good.
This is the blueberry crumb cake donut. You can see we got some blueberries going on.
Yeah.
This thing is so soft. It feels like it's like pillow soft. Like,
Nice.
oh my gosh. I was not expecting that. Like when you bite, I don't know if I could show you. Like this inside, the outside is crunchy, but the inside is super, super
It's more
soft.
like a cakey donut.
Yes, it's almost like cake.
Yeah.
Like, yeah. Oh, that's really good. It's kind of easy to mess up a glazed donut, to be real.
Yeah.
That's good. Man, this is good.
See, it's like not too sweet. Like it's just right, you know.
This is really, really good. This is like home style donuts.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this. So in our personal opinion, we actually prefer Do Right Donuts over Stan's Donuts. Again, this is just our personal opinion, but go ahead and check out both of them and let us know in the comment section which one do you prefer. Make sure you check upstairs at the Willis Tower. You might get a free treat.
Spring water, sparkling water.
Oh.
Spring.
Spring, yes. Can't beat that. Free water.
Thank you.
It's a new company, Origin Water.
Okay.
They've done a small rollout. We're not in every store. We're
Okay.
in specific stores. So if there's a store locator.
Perfect.
If you like it, you scan it. If there's not a store near you, it's going to give you a link where you could order it.
Okay.
It's good. Let us know if it's bad. We want to know too.
Hey, sounds
Okay.
good. Well, we
All
love
right,
water,
thank
so
you.
we pick the right people. So we definitely just got some free water. This new water company called Origin. Just gave us some free water. They also have sparkling water as well. They're rolling out their brand into different stores. Origin 100% natural spring water.
Okay.
Okay. It's very good. Doesn't have any mineral taste or anything like that to it.
Does it taste plasticky?
Very refreshing. No aftertaste. Now, some of you may be like, it's water, it tastes like water. No, if you drink water, you can taste the difference between all of the different waters, between Dasani, Aquafina, everything. So this is a very good water, like it really is.
Getting back into the food items, Garrett Popcorn Shop should be your next stop here in Chicago. It's a staple food place that Oprah Winfrey herself raves about. They have plain popcorn, buttery popcorn, cashew, caramel, almond, and pecan caramel crisp. Or you could get it Garrett's way, which is going to be the cheddar with the caramel popcorn.
All of the samples are free here, guys, so try as many as you like.
And just like Richard said, they do give free samples. We got our popcorn at Garrett's. Bam. Try
Check the sample
that
out.
sample out real quick. Good. It was pretty busy inside of the store and we forgot to film earlier, but this is us on the plane eating our popcorn. We got the small Garrett mix, which was $4.99, and as I like to say, Richard is the one that actually ate the entire bag by himself because I only had a small portion.
All right, guys, we're at Goose Island Shrimp House. First time coming here. We're gonna check this thing out, see how good this Goose Island shrimp is, and let you guys know.
Let's go. Goose Island Shrimp House is sort of like a mom and pop hole in the wall location. They only accept cash here, but let me tell you, they've got some really good food. You can get some catfish here for $4, french fries for $1.25, and a whole pound of shrimp for 14 bucks. Make sure you get their sauce. It is a special made house sauce. It was really, really good. Oh, you hear that crunch?
It's good. It's real good. That's delicious.
I had the catfish. The catfish looks like this. So many different little strips. So I'm about to dig in, y'all, because I'm hungry. Dip it in this sauce. They said this the goose sauce right here.
Goose sauce.
Goose sauce. Oh,
Ooh.
no.
No. Is it good?
This goose sauce is like a hot sauce with mustard and vinegar. It's really good. And this was $4.
Not bad.
So make sure you check out Goose Island Shrimp House and don't forget the sauce. Our next stop was at Art of Pizza on State Street. We had to come in here and check out this Cheap Eats for their stuffed cheese pizza. Richard got the regular size pizza, which is just regular cheese, and he said the pizza was really good. However, both of us have become accustomed to putting ranch on our pizzas. So if you are like us and like ranch on your pizza, please drop a comment down below. I know whenever I was in high school, that was the thing, and I've never strayed away from it. That's it, right?
The ranch sets it off.
I got the stuffed cheese pizza, and it is Chicago style. Ooh, this thing is thick.
Oh, better put it down.
Ooh, this thing is thick. I like it. It's real tomatoey, but it's got a nice flavor. Real nice flavor. That end, that finish is good. I like this. Now, if you don't like sauce, then you won't like this. But if you do like sauce, this is actually really good. So if you don't like tomatoes or sauce, you probably won't be a fan of this Chicago-style pizza. But if you are willing to be adventurous, try it out. You might even like it. Of course, I like it with ranch. And last but certainly not least, here on the final stop of our food tour, Red Hot Ranch. This is going to be another mom and pop style restaurant. They only accept cash, but guess what? If you are short on cash, they do have an ATM machine inside of here. We were delighted to try the fish sandwich as well as their cheeseburgers and their strawberry shake and fries.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
It's good.
Looks really good. Bun is buttery. It's really good. It's really good. It's flavorful just like it is. Don't really need mustard or anything like that. It's really good. Wow.
Yeah.
Fries are real good. Hot, crispy, they're good. Hot. Just got done, right?
No, this is good.
Yeah.
This is really good.
Fried. China fried real quick.
They said they fresh fries now.
They're fresh fried. Told you. Right?
Fries are safe. Can't go wrong with that.
Alright. Guys, we forgot to mention the red hot sauce. That is what set it off. It's very good.
Red Hot Ranch was so good. I started getting in my own little world. As you can see, Richard was filming and I was not even paying attention. And we finished both of our meals.
No complaints here. It was great. As you can see, it was good. What about yours, babe?
It's gone.
It's gone.
I mean, that's cheap eats right there.
Seriously, that was good. Y'all come check them out.
We stopped eating hot dogs, but here is a hot dog here at Red Hot Ranch. The guests next to us said it. They are really, really good. And that's going to conclude our cheap eats near and around downtown Chicago. As you guys can see, we are here at the airport getting ready to go back home to Orlando. So we hope that this video was helpful to you to save a little bit of money for you and your family or your friends or just yourself, you know, and hope you guys enjoyed the video.
Yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. We are pretty much full, good to go. Thank you again so much for watching. If you have any other suggestions of where we could come next as far as our next trip to Chicago, please let us know down in the comments section.
Yeah.
And until next time, guys.
Peace.